How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. In this little video right here, we're going to be doing a house of carpet. I'm just going to go over the seam layout and how I stretch it out and stuff like that with the hallway, doing the seams first and everything like that, and then what ways I'm going to stretch the rooms. Might even show you a little bit about seams and stuff like that. Anyway, stay tuned. Okay, right off the bat here, I always have this. Always is on the van, you can see. Tell by the corners and stuff. We've had it quite some time. That is for oil, as you can probably see. Anytime we're on a nice driveway, concrete, blacktop, anything besides gravel, we always throw that under the van. Right here. Tucked it there. Got it rugged. See here? It ain't muddy, but there is dew here. First thing this morning. Grass is a little wet. We don't want to track in. Even though this is a rental property. Doesn't matter. Still gonna keep it nice, clean. Bet we can. We sweat this out this morning before we started everything. Right here, we got a whole house here. 3 bedrooms, hallway, and a living room. What we do, you see the line, run a row right here, measured, got our hallway straight. Everything's gonna be perfectly straight. Everything is going to run off of the hallway. What I mean by that, we're gonna run a row here. Everything is gonna be row run. We don't straight edge any seams. So right here, we're gonna get this run before I tie this off. We'll run a row here, seam this together, and this will be free. Notice nothing's cut down because I might have to tweak it just a little bit, twist this way or that way or whatever, after I get everything row cut to match that up with the hallway. So, but first thing we're gonna do is get that row cut, tie this whole into the hallway off, power stretch up there. I'm gonna put a board. We'll put a board right across the end of this hallway so I can get a nice power stretch up that way, keeping my line perfectly straight there. Once I get that done, then I can make that seam, jump up here, row cut this, get this seam done, make this seam. And when we do that, these will be stretched that way. Everything here be tied off, closet done, kick, or stretched that way, excuse me. Same thing here. This is a little different because we got a extra little closet. We're going to have to seam on here, but not too bad at all. Same thing here in the living room. Row cut, make my seam right here. Tie this off. So this will be my tie-off point. It's going to be about a 4 by 3, whatever right there. That's always what you want, corners, especially on a decent sized room like this. We're going to go crossways, which is from here right to here. Tie all of this off. Stretch long ways, doom, tie all of that off, finish up that way. That's what we got going on there. This is a floating vinyl plank floor. So I'm gonna buzz this back, straighten it up because it's all busted up and everything. We'll straighten all this up. I'll buzz it with Oscar, straighten it up, give me a nice clean straight line to go by to the quarter round right there. Put me down some flat pewter metal, brushed nickel, whatever you want to call it. This here's all jacked up. Got a few boxes there. We just want to replace this, throw the quarter round back down. Then we'll put pewter metal there. We're not doing any Z-bar anywhere, even though I prefer that. This is a rental and it's an economical carpet. So we're not going to use Z-bar. We're going to use flat metal. Anyway, again, nothing's cut down in case we had to tweak or anything like that. We left all of our rooms as is until we get our seams ready to go. So, with all that being said, let's get to it. Fix and tie this off, stretch this long hallway. Just because this be a rental, like Bart Reynolds, don't mean we ain't gonna take the time to do stuff right. Bodimus. Straight hot Bodimus. Little trick to that, if you look where you're cutting to, not where you're actually cutting, it'll definitely help you cut a straight line. Like here, instead of looking here, I was looking back here and cutting to where I want to, looking to where I want to cut to. Tucker is Tucker. Now we got the hallway straight and stretched. Go down there, start making my doorway seams. Okay, so again, all these are done with the hallway there. Doorway seams, we went that way. Now we're taking this room that way, finish up that way. And we'll do the same thing in here. Stretch that way. Then, right up this wall, we got to fold that closet over. I always like to fold my stuff out if I can. It's much easier to make my seams flat like that. Plus, if I had to cut it down and did it right here in the doorway, it would have been cut down. Then when I stretched this way, it would have pulled off a little bit right there. So I just fold that out, lay it flat, and make my doorway seam. Fixing to do the same thing here now that I got my hallway stretched up. Then we'll be making seam right over there. Again, like I said a while ago, I got to zip this off, straighten it up, and go from there. should.
Yep, take down that little pucker.
Okay. Now the room's straight with the hallway. Fix the cut and make the seam over here. And there we have it. Here be the living room. Our metal wall down there. Yes, sir. Night long hallway all cleaned up. Vacuum. Brother. Looking good in here. Austin. We ain't done a whole lot of carpet. Oop, got a little bit of flake off the door there. A whole lot of carpet. It's like it takes its turns. That line right there is definitely from where the door was. It ain't seams on over there a little bit. We won't see none of these seams in here. Papa did them. Yeah, anyway, like I was saying, we'll do a whole lot of carpet. Have our turns of like, we'll do a few months of this, a few months of that, and then a couple carpet jobs or something. So, in the past year, we ain't done a whole bunch of whole houses. Maybe a one-room job here, a one-room job there, and so forth and so forth and so forth. And my man ain't had much of a chance to practice with the carpet. So I think this is only the second house you've done. Third house?
Yeah.
Third house where you stretched in, and I have made seams. And I'll tell you what, looks about like goat milk. It ain't bad. Look like you're catching on pretty good there, pretty good. And yeah, next month will be a year. Kudos to the FBFB. Hop, there you go. Anyway.